Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see C++ command. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. C++ command are generally used to make your code more readable. It is used to explain your code to the user in a very easy way. So generally programmer put comment in every function in every block so that if any other user who is reading their code, then it will be easy for the user to understand the code, to understand the functioning of the code with the help of comments. So in C++, comments are of two types: single line comment and multiple line comment. So single line comment we will put if you want to comment only single line in the block of code, and in multiple line comment if you want to comment the multiple lines in a program, then you use multiple line comment. Now we are going to see both the comments one by one and see how it works. This is a basic code that you can see on your screen. This is a header file. This is standard namespace. It is a starting integer main represents the starting of the code. Cout it will use to print the hello world over the screen. I have put 5 cout statement. It will print hello world 5 times over the screen. When I run this code, you can see hello world 5 times as an output. Now we are going to see single line comment. In a single line comment, you just have to put double slash before the line of code, and when you put double slash, you can see this particular line is now commented. So when I run this code, you can see hello world only 4 times because this particular line is now commented. So it will print hello world only 4 times. So if I put double slash prior to this and then run the code, you can see hello world only 3 times because single line comment you can represent with the help of double slash. I have put the double slash on 2 lines. You can see that the 2 lines are commented and it will execute only these 3 lines. So in this way, single line comment work in C++. Now we are going to see multiple line comment. Suppose if you want to comment the multiple lines in a code, or if you want to explain a particular part in multiple line, at that time multiple line comment usually work. Multiple line comment you can put with the help of slash and star. This is the starting of the multiple line comment. As you can see, we have to end also, so that's why all the block in the commented section, and you can end the multiple line comment with the help of star and slash. As you can see, this is a multiple line comment that start with slash star, which is end with star slash, and all the 3 lines are in commented box. So when I run this code, you can see hello world 2 times because these 3 lines are in commented box. And if I put this star slash over here and then I run this code, you can see hello world only 1 time because these 4 lines will not be executed because we have put these 4 lines in comment. So in this way, multiple line comment work in C++. So single line comment with work with slash slash, and multiple line comment work with slash star and end with star slash. So you can see both the functioning at the same time. Also I will put star slash and slash slash. So this is our multiple line comment slash star and ends with star slash, and this is our single line comment with double slash, and this is our code which will execute. So see, this 3 line will be in comment section, this 2 line will be executed during the run. So when I run this code, you can see hello world, this 2 line over here, and this 3 line will considered as a comment. So in this way, single line comment and multiple line comment work in C++. So this is a basic video regarding C++ comment. You can try this functioning in your C++ tool, or you can use online compiler also, and you can try this functioning. As you try, you will understand how C++ comment work in C++. If you want to read, we have one article also written over C++ comment. I will put the link of this article in the description box below. You can go, you can see what is the definition of single line comment, how single line comment work, how multiple line comment work, and there is also one exercise over single line comment and multiple line comment. So for this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn C++. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.